Okay.
Okay. Okay. Triangle as straight as you can. You don't want to run into that white pipe. Okay, don't try to stay away from that white pipe. Colin, come over here. Now, don't try, do.
I'm videotaping.
Don't stay over here. Stay over there. Stay over here. Look at it.
Videotape.
I know, but stand over here. Stand over here, so you're going to be in the middle. Okay? But you can't get out and hold the boat. Okay?
Don't go behind. Don't go over this line.
Why?
Get out and hold the boat.
I don't want you
How
to.
come it is? You can't get out and hold the boat. Okay.
Okay, they're gonna race. Can you help me videotape? I'll hold the GoPro for you.
Is it recording now?
Yeah, it's recording. You have to record. Okay, I'm gonna let it stand.
No, just hold it. Just hold it. Just hold it. I want you to just hold it.
Okay.
You're going the wrong way.
Jasmine, just center yourself. Center yourself, Jazz.
Should we do back-to-back or side?
I'm holding him.
Yeah, because we do
Got it?
Oh no, it broke!
You're back.
Oh, it went on there.
The boat broke.
That's fun.